Today we're going to clear the jam tray error on your Brother MFCL5850DW. Before working on your Brother machine, please allow it to run for 10 minutes to allow the fan to cool the internal parts. We will begin by pulling the paper tray completely out of the machine. If there is jam paper in the tray opening, remove it using both hands. Next, remove the paper from the paper tray and verify that the tray guides are set to the correct paper size. Next, fan the paper and reload it into the paper tray. Ensure that the tray guides are not pushed too tightly against the paper, which can cause jamming. Also verify that the paper is not loaded above the maximum fill line. Finally, replace the paper tray firmly inside the machine. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.